Yes. Are they making you put all of that in your pockets?
If I were to guess, I think that sand dollar just died because it was basically like in this deep water. You don't see sand dollars this deep in the water.
I don't know. We're not having very much luck at all finding sand dollars and everything.
I found one.
Probably gone deeper.
You can't see the water if it's freaking too much deeper than this.
Thanks.